Sneezing. Please, when you need to sneeze, avoid sneezing in my face or into your hands, they're shaking mine. Try to sneeze into your elbow or simply use a tissue. These droplets can carry viruses and bacteria. In fact, they account for about 70% of the flu cases and about 40% of the common cold cases. And remember, it's harmful to hold in a sneeze. Doing so can rupture the eardrums or damage blood vessels. It might feel embarrassing sometimes, but when you feel the urge to sneeze, it's best to let out safely.